your mom na.
Hi, mommy. How are you? How's the lobby? Did you tell me that I'm 9, even though that I'm just 6 years old?
Why do you want to be 9?
So I'm an ate. So I can collect.
Kanina daw sabi umakit, sabi ng guard eh. Sir, pwede na ba umakit? Sabi niya, anong oras ba? 11. Bakit na sir? Sige lang.
Pasok na ako dito.
Oo, tapos hindi ka ng isa pang mag-iwan pa isang ID para sa car pass.
Mom-
Pasok na ako dyan.
Oo. Yung ID natin dalawa, iniwan. Okay?
Mom, did you tell them that I'm 9?
That?
I'm 9?
You're nine. Yes, I told you.
Lower parking road. Ayan.
Don't like that.
Yeah.
So sad.
I'm so full of Milo in my tummy. I did this when the gun just when the window was open and the gun was there. That was me.
Yung 269 po ay tukoy nyo na po kung saan.
Hindi ba, sir?
Pagbaba sir, kanan kayo, kaliwa, tumbok nyo na ulit.
Kanan kaliwa. Thank you, sir.
Bastid.
Parang
Crispy.
isa lang po yung ID. Yung ID ko lang.
Yan yung ID ko.
Oo, ito.
Gosh, we're going down.
We're going down, down.
Sa ano
It's
ko.
our moment. Oh my, you know, together we're glowing. Gonna be,
Huwag mo
gonna be
kakalimutan na nasa iyo,
golden.
ha?
Oh,
Alam mo rin,
up, up, it's our
Yan
moment.
yung ID ko na
You know, together
kanan,
we're
di ba? Tapos
going.
kaliwa daw.
Gonna be going. Oh, I'm done hiding. Now I'm shining like a
Tuwi pala yun.
Oh, our tunnel is long. Eyes that who were born of
Kanan po eh.
that.
Tapos biglang kaliwa.
No,
Paano kasi ano?
one
One way daw. Tumbok ko na naman dito eh. Yan na yata yun, ha? Ayun, 269. Ito. Ito?
682 eh, oo.
Ito na. Ayos. Ganda.
69.
Kasi nasa ano siya, nasa post eh.
Tapos sabi ni Labi, elevator na.
Bakit tayo dito? Tatay na ako.
Kaya pala ayaw mo mag-shopping.
Hi.
Nana, dito ka kay Ibes dumaan na.
Apa?
Kasi may ano dyan eh. Parang bomba sa gilid mo.
Hindi kaya yan.
Baka tumama siya.
Hindi siya. Meron pa nga yun. Tapos
Where's your water, Bessie?
Here.
Nakaano pa na pala eh.
You continue na lang your vlog on the, ano,